Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Firefly 3, a personal finance manager, on Linux. To begin, open a terminal and run sudo apt-update to update your software repositories. Then we'll use apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages. Then we'll add the PHP GPG key and apt repository because Firefly requires PHP 8 to run. Next, we'll run apt-update again to pull in the packages from the new PHP repository. Then we'll run apt-upgrade to install available updates from the new repository. Once the update's complete, we can install the Apache web server and MariaDB database backend. And lastly, we'll install all the required PHP components. With our web and database servers ready to go, we'll use curl to download and execute the Composer installation script. Then we'll elevate our terminal to root privileges using sudo su and execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a MySQL root user password and remove known vulnerabilities. Now we'll log into the MySQL database as the root user using the password we just set. And using SQL commands, we'll create a Firefly database, a Firefly database service account user, and grant the service account full permissions on the new database. Then we'll flush MySQL privileges and exit the MySQL and elevated root shell. Continue with the installation by using Composer to install the Firefly application and all of its dependencies. Then set ownership on the new Firefly directory to the www data group, and restrict access to the Firefly storage subdirectory. Next, we'll cd into the Firefly directory and open the .m file in the nano editor. Using the video description as a guide, scroll through the M file and set the values as needed to set the site owner, time zone, and database connection properties. Once you've completed your changes, press Ctrl-O to save the changes and Ctrl-X to close the nano editor. Next, we'll run some PHP artisan commands to initialize the Firefly database. Then we'll create an Apache site configuration file for Firefly. Copy and paste the contents of the configuration file from the video description. Then press Ctrl-O to write the changes and Ctrl-X to close the nano editor. To finish up, we'll enable the Apache rewrite module, as well as the new Firefly site configuration. Then we'll restart the Apache 2 service for the two changes to take effect. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host /Firefly. Complete the form to register a new account by entering an email address and password, then click the Register button. Welcome to Firefly 3, running natively on your Linux-based web server.